In this video I will show you how to change your Instagram name in few minutes. Okay, all right, let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your Instagram profile like that. Okay, then what you need to do is you need to click over here on edit profile, and as you can see over here, name, and in the name there is username. So you need to change this username. Click on username, then choose new name that you want to add to your Instagram account. So for example, let's say media next. So for example, I will choose media next 1 2 3 4. As you can see, this name, I can get this name, so you just need to click on this icon over here, then your Instagram name will be changed. Okay, that's how you can change your Instagram username in only 1 minute. It's easy and simple. I will not change my Instagram name. I'm just showing you how you can change yours. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video.